You have a computer, you have a meat, and the oil and seasoning. You don't need any pan, you don't need any gas. Hello everybody, today we're gonna react to some weird video. That shouldn't have gone there, man. Oh god. Oh my god. Dude. Oh no.
Just stop.
Man, it's just disaster, man. What is this?
No, just stop it.
Kidding me? Oh yeah, you know what? No meat without seasoning, if you know what I'm saying. Like, Gordon Ramsay will be really happy about it. Oh my god, what is this? That would definitely taste like AMD. It said I can't take it. I just can't hold this heat, man. Like the CPU is literally like 105 degrees or 100 degrees now. Holy moly. Listen to the fans ramp up. They're like, we want to do the job, but they can't. Because there's no contact. This dude is... Oh my god, this dude is like... Yeah, Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is just... Oh... Oh, no, no. No, no. Oh god. I guess that, okay, the previous motherboard is already gone, okay. Yeah.
No! God! Please, no!
Oh, I can't take it, man. This is, oh man. I like my steak medium rare. Wok. I like my steak overclocked to 4.1 gig. Oh man, how does it taste? Digital. Man, it tastes like AMD. How to grill a barbecue. Google. How use charcoal grill. Bing. How do you season the meat with? 6 cores and 12 threads. Oh man, just without a fan and heatsink is a surefire way to fry your CPU, or just fry an egg, or you know, just fry your CPU with meat. Yeah. How to cook an egg in a computer demonstration. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? At least he's using thermal paste. You know, at least he has respect for the for the CPU. Oh my god. Oh no.
It will cut off and crash. It did.
Yeah, really. Wow.
It may be better after all if you go and actually cook using a proper cooker.
If you use a CPU as a pan, it will definitely gonna go to its own heaven, or at least hell. I don't know how it works. You have a computer, you have a meat, and the oil and seasoning. You don't need any pan, you don't need any gas. Just cook it, man. Nothing will happen.
Stop. No, just stop it.
He cooked a whole meal with the CPU. That's actually a talent if you look at it in another way. But yeah, it just, in general, it's just disaster, man. Wow. So he cooked all this in that CPU. Did he cook the rice too? He cooked the rice there. Well, not the rice, but this. Well, at least he makes some views, you know. It's really good, actually. Better than mine. Thanks everybody for watching. Channel is new, trying to test stuff. Let's see what's good or not, like what works or not. But I love gaming. I love reacting to stuff. If you learned something, like this video, subscribe. If you didn't learn anything, or I don't know, just if you didn't enjoy it, don't like, even dislike if you want. So yeah, and as always, take care.